Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. There's a recommendation for Jamaicans to buy shares in TransJamaican Highways offer for sale, which officially opened today. The offer closes on March 18 and will cost $3.60 per share. TransJamaican Highway boasts strong cash flows and is among the top 5 dividend-paying companies in the region. The company generated net profits of $31.32 million during its last financial year, compared with $23.26 million during the previous fiscal year. Speaking on TVJ's Smile Jamaica this morning, CEO of NCB Capital Markets, Angus Young, said the dividend yield is projected to be in excess of 5%.
5% plus dividend yield on an infrastructure type asset, I see only upside. There are two things that are coming. It would be the expansion of the 1C part of the highway. And then if you think about it, the debt that TransJamaica has is amortizing. So the free cash flow going forward will increase. So I only see an upside on this one.
Investors can apply through platforms such as NCB Capital Markets Go IPO or JMMB's Moneyline. Derrimon Trading has reported a decline in revenues and profitability for the financial year ended December 31, 2024. It was largely due to challenges faced by its New York subsidiaries. For the period, the company recorded consolidated revenues of $15.21 billion, a decrease from $18.74 billion in 2023. The company recorded a net loss of $616.08 million, a sharp decline from the $181.99 million net profit posted in 2023. The financial downturn was primarily attributed to the 9-month closure of Marnock LLC and retail in New York following the collapse of its facility's roof. Looking ahead, the company remains focused on stabilizing its operations and recovering from disruptions. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 2,148 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 3 points. The 40 advancing stocks include ISP Finance Services, Salada Foods, One Great Studio, 138 Student Living, and Jetcon Corporation. The 41 shares that advanced were led by, or should we say the stocks that declined, were led by 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Caribbean Cream, Panjam Group, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, and Jamaican Teas. 19 stocks traded firm. Banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $157.87. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $108.58. The pound is going for $198.15, while the euro is selling for an average $169.21. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.
The Business Day, brought to you by Get It.